SUI could rise 4.6% tomorrow, according to CoinDataFlow forecast. Let's take a quick glance at today's market situation. SUI is showing a 4% increase since yesterday and now trades close to $1.0621. Let's scan the expert predictions today. Tomorrow, CoinDataFlow expects the asset to reach $1.11, which would be an increase of roughly 4.6%. 30 rates project SUI might move toward $1.0904. That's about 2.8% up. CoinCodex notes it might move higher toward $1.0669, roughly 0.6% up. Another forecast released by Traders Union notes SUI could be on track to $1.0558, a loss estimated at 0.5%. And to end Gov Capital Collector believes the price could reach $0.9781 by May 25, showing a 7.8% drop. This is the most profitable pick. 5 takes on tomorrow are in. Let's keep going. We've reviewed the outlooks. Now let's look at performance data. Based on the analysts' predictions, the price range is from a decline of 7.8% to a gain of 4.6%. That means Gov Capital Collector is forecasting the highest return with 7.8% gain in value by May 25. It's clear you could earn between $5 and $78 for every $1,000 you invest. From the probability standpoint, Traders Union's forecast has the highest chance of success at 97.3%. Out of the 5 separate forecasts, I've built one consensus scenario. The consensus target puts SUI at close to $1.0603. Now, let's get into the numbers. From the consensus perspective, the price may go lower by 0.1% by tomorrow. In line with that move, your capital would also reflect a gain of 0.1%. On a 1,000 example, the move could potentially translate into about $1 gained. And overall, the chance of this consensus forecast proving accurate is near 97.8%. At this point in the analysis, let's review the 3-day forecasts. SUI is projected to gain further, CoinDataFlow also suggests. A stable path is projected by 30 rates. CoinCodex points to further weakness. Traders Union anticipates sideways movement with SUI hovering within a tight trading band. Gov Capital Collector sees SUI trending lower. The consensus stance reflects a weaker picture, pointing to SUI trending lower. Summing up, 60% of projections indicate a tilt to the downside for SUI. 2 days ago, 5 forecasts were made. Now we know how they performed. As a result, the price ended the day at $1.0669. Only 2 predictions matched the real direction. Looking at the numbers, Traders Union turned out most precise. Now let's set it in order. Yesterday's range included 2 forecasts. For AOI, multiple analysts stayed in the green, with Traders Union leading at 5.1%. Here's the full recap table, the entire set of results shown together. Looking at performance, the forecast probability for 30 rates was 66.4%, with $0.1052 accuracy and minus 3.5% ROI. Try to find the analyst that stayed most in sync with the market. And now let's see how tomorrow's return expectations differ among SUI and other assets. SUI holds 5th position as render stays ahead with 2.1%. Here SUI is shown next to 4 random cryptocurrencies. The extended profitability table is already featured on my website. That's it for today. Subscribe so you don't miss tomorrow's forecasts. Catch you in the next analysis.